Crack on.
Cool.
And I spent the day into lunch and stuff. And then there from we managed to come back to do this. So there tonight, and I was
Do you know what you think of this microwave? But I think it's a bit weird. Like the fact that you just as soon as you turn it down.
It's just a stir. I may just do it actually.
You emailed it?
Emailed them all.
Oh, it smells nice. I bought some actual curries. Duff's are all like plastic.
You get those in McDonald's, and they're actually really good. Like the ones you get for breakfast and that.
Yeah.
Like, you could reuse them if you wanted to, but because it's plastic, most people just throw them away. For me, that's one of the annoying gripes of microwaves. Yeah, I have to stir the food to get the heat to go. You know, like.
Definitely.
Left a bit of.
Okay.
Although it sounds cheap, I quite like that little bell.
Oh, okay.
I think I may. I put it in for another couple of minutes. See how it is.
Not warm enough.
It's very interesting. Like lost memories is interesting.
Oh, you mean every morning and like?
Yeah, no, like, so all this was all like touch panel.
Oh, yeah.
So it had no dials, it was just touch. It was an old school, it was like this big.
But like remote control sort of ones where they're flush with the. You know what I mean? Like not like touch sensitive, but like touch as in like.
Yeah, like, they're not touch sensitive, it had like touch.
Inset buttons almost.
Yeah, like, we're talking like Star Trek sort of stuff.
Yeah.
So I have 2 hours sleep, and get off and finish it, and then I slept for like 2 hours.
Thank you very much.
Was that everything?